Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to archive chat and WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, let's go to WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now we need to go to chats and we are already in chats. So now we need to click on the chat we want to archive. So let's press on this for a while and it is tick marked, and we can see this down arrow over here which is the sign of archive. If we tap on this, our message is archived, and to undo, let's tap on undo over here. So this is all we need to do to archive chat. Now if you want to view the archived chats, you can simply tap on this archive over here. So let's tap on this, and here are the chats we have already archived. So this is all we can do to archive chats in WhatsApp. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.